Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the chrome accessible and predictable. Clean with a degreaser, rinse, and dry so polish bonds to metal rather than dirt. Once done, test a small 1 cm 2 area to confirm compatibility and color outcome. This prevents damage. Put on gloves and assemble a microfiber cloth and a foam applicator pad. You want a dust-free workspace and steady lighting so you can see progress in real time and avoid overworking one spot. You apply a pea-sized amount of chrome polish to the pad, covering roughly 10 cm 2 at a time so you maintain control. Work the polish in using small circular motions to break oxidation, then switch to long strokes to level the finish and reduce swirl marks. Make 2-3 passes, adding more product only when needed. Between passes, wipe with a clean microfiber to inspect. If you see persistent spots, repeat gently rather than increasing force. You finish by thoroughly buffing the treated chrome with a fresh microfiber until the surface reflects evenly and residue is gone. Once done, consider sealing with carnauba wax or a clear coat to extend protection. If you encounter light pitting or stubborn corrosion, use a metal polish paste and very fine 0000 steel wool gently, then repolish. For deep damage, professional rechroming may be necessary. Make sure to inspect under bright light to verify evenness and repeat if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.